Hello and welcome back to SIGNHOUSE TV. If you are a print house or a sign company, you definitely and most likely have a 1.6 meter machine, UV printer or eco-solvent printer, and you're probably looking to upgrade or get a machine with better print output and faster speeds. So stay tuned for this episode while I'll introduce the JHF Vista 180. It's a great addition to your print shop or your sign company. Let me introduce you to the Vista 180 from JHF. JHF, as you might have known now, is a very reliable and well-established manufacturer from China that we've been working with for more than 3 years now. And we've had a number of successful installations throughout the GCC with very happy customers, and especially in the category of 3.2 UV printers and 5 meter industrial printers. So this Vista 180 is a great addition to the range and great addition to prospective customers looking for a machine that's going to be accommodated in a much smaller space and will allow them to print the highest quality of backlights and also high speed output for their vinyls and banners for outdoor application. So it's kind of a two-in-one machine. In the past, these UV printers or 1.8 meter machines tended to be categorized only as indoor quality machines. But now with the speed and quality, you get both applications for indoor prints in high resolution or outdoor prints in a lower resolution but higher speed. With printers in this category of 1.6 or 1.8 meter size compared to the JHF Vista, the first and most noticeable aspect is that they are much smaller in size and weight. So those machines tend to have maybe a maximum weight of 300 kilograms, whereas our 1.8 Vista has a total weight of 1.65 tons. So big part of this weight comes from the steel chassis of the machine. So this is a rectangular steel tube chassis that has been double welded, so it's extremely strong. It has 4 rubber rollers, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. So this allows it to have a very high tensioning of your media. So regardless if you're doing banner material, a print vinyl, and more importantly if you're doing textiles which are thinner, you can get very high tension as the material is fed through the machine. So as it has a very high tension while the media is passing through the table of the machine, to allow stability of the media so it doesn't move. At the same time, you can feed it at a very high speed, and the high weight ensures there is no vibration at all while you're printing at these high speeds. So a machine which is obviously 200 or 300 kilograms and only has pinch rollers, those tiny pinch rollers on the top of the machine that feed the material, they will not be able to keep up with this kind of speed and stability and also the ability to print on a variety of materials. The major factor in this machine also that allows you to print high speed and high quality is the latest generation of Konica Minolta 6988H head. This head is extremely robust, extremely well built. It has a metal base plate compared to other 1.6 or 1.8 meter machines which only have a thin plate which can easily get damaged by any contact by the media or during cleaning activities. So this machine also comes in a standard configuration of 6 colors. So that's CMYK, light cyan and light magenta. 6 color standard configuration is what allows our customers and you to print in high quality indoor prints. So in the past, you would have noticed that many indoor printers tend to have 6 colors or even 8 colors. So these number of colors, like with light cyan and light magenta, allows you, the designer, to achieve greater color accuracy when they're trying to print different color tones, different gray scales, different shades of black or different shades of different Pantone colors. You can achieve really high color accuracy when you have 6 colors. So this is a standard configuration on the JHF Vista 180. For customers who also print a lot on clear materials, clear flexible materials, you can take the option of replacing the light cyan and light magenta with a single white head or a double white head. So this is a great addition to help you do other more unique applications with the printer on clear flexible materials. We have installed a number of printers in the last 3 years, and there are well over 100 individual Konica Minolta heads running today at our customer sites. And we can proudly say we have never had to replace a single one. So this shows how capable the product is, and this shows also the robustness of the product. Most printers in this category of 1.6 or 1.8 meter machines, as you might have experienced yourself, definitely have to change their head in a 1-year period or even multiple times in a 3-year period. So this is an extremely capable machine in that regard. And this head also has a 13 picoliter drop size. So this is extremely important in allowing you to achieve high quality backlit prints and also the medium or production quality required for banner prints. So it is a single machine that is capable of doing all your indoor quality prints and also your outdoor quality prints when you need them. You do not have to rely on multiple machines for multiple jobs. The Vista 180 is also very competitively priced. And even though you might find machines that are slightly lower in investment value or slightly higher investment value, none of them will be able to match the speed. The machine can achieve 45 square meters per hour in production quality, which is easily 3 times higher than any machine in this category. And there are additional features that allow it to achieve this speed. First, the dual LED curing lamps on either side of the head carriage. This allows you to have bidirectional UV curing as the material is being printed. There is a vacuum coolant table at the top so that when the material passes through the print head, it is also kept cool and stable. The vacuum holds the material and the media in place, while the coolant table allows it to stay at a stable temperature. So especially when you're printing different qualities of print vinyls or stickers, it stays stable and the LED lamps do not warp it or wrinkle it, which also affects the print quality. There's an anti-static bar, which also eliminates any static on plastic medias, which affects print quality. The head carriage itself moves along the gantry with iGuess German toe line. This is an extremely industrial toe line, which is what is generally used on our 3.2 machines or 5 meter machines. So coming on a 1.8 meter machine is very unique and unheard of on any machine in this size. So these are some features that also add to allowing you to print at high speed and high quality, which is nowhere close to any of the competitors in terms of speed and performance. All of our Vista 180s also come bundled with the industry-leading ripping software from Caldera. This is going to help a lot for your operators to achieve the right color accuracy and finish their jobs on time. Additionally, we provide the highest quality of inks for our customers. And with UV inks, one of the biggest hesitations for customers switching over from other technology like eco-solvent or latex is the cost per liter of ink. But it is very, very different in terms of the consumption or utilization of ink when you talk about UV printing technology. Our printers with these printers can achieve 80 to 100 square meters of printed material per liter of ink. With eco-solvent or solvent, you would be lucky to get even 30 or 40 square meters of printed material per liter of ink. So this is a significant difference and also justifies the increased cost per liter of ink. So you will have a lot less wastage also in the cleaning and purging, which is definitely invisible cost when it comes to printing with eco-solvent and solvent. So I hope all these points were really interesting and you got more curious about our JHF Vista 180. Please feel free to reach out to me or anyone on our team so we can tell you more about this machine or even organize a demo for you in the coming days. Thank you very much.